Get Talking Chinese Workbook. It's the workbook that accompanies my favorite compact, phrase jam-packed Chinese book with useful phrases for day-to-day life. It has a few shortcomings, but man, this book is pretty, and I'm gonna look at all my notes. I'm gonna show you inside in a quick moment. My name's Kuei-jo, by the way. I'm the creator of Elementary Chinese, where I help you learn the everyday Chinese you need to communicate what you want and make deeper connections with Chinese people. If you want more book reviews or interviews with expats here in China that have learned Chinese, or just videos with me in everyday life learning Chinese phrases, consider subscribing at any time. If you want to check out these kind of books or any other ones I recommend on Amazon.com, the links are in the descriptions below. So although it's a workbook, they sure made it fun and pretty. It includes memory tips, opinion practice, how to write all the characters with clear stroke order, key characters that you're not gonna forget, and grid paper at the end of each section to help you practice what you learned. They don't have enough grid paper here, but it includes useful, commonly used Chinese characters and not in an overwhelming way. That's so true because the pictures are so pretty, and even their philosophy sums it all up. Remember, the secret to learning Chinese is man lai. I mean, a book like this is kind of a no-brainer at $9.99. At least that's the price at the time I recorded this video. Head down to the descriptions below for an Amazon link that will show you the current price. Yeah, the opinion is here when they teach you a character. It's just that it's not there when you have to practice writing it, so you gotta memorize it and then say it. That's a downside. So I like that the character practice has words and actual phrases that you can use to practice your character stroke order. I would love to see the stroke directions right here on the practice grid, but at least they're included when the characters are first introduced. This just isn't a ton of area to practice writing characters in. You're gonna need to buy some additional grid paper. So this workbook accompanies the main book, Get Talking Chinese, and both of them are full of really good information, complimentary, that focuses on day-to-day life here in China. So this book is the perfect example of form over function. It's really pretty, but you're gonna need some extra paper to practice the characters thoroughly. There's not much competition to these two books together, but I have reviewed two other language learning methods. Double-click the screen right there for a quick playlist of Living Language Mandarin and Astrill Chinese. If you want another video from me at Elementary Chinese, tap or click the screen right there. I'm Kuei-jo, teaching you the everyday Chinese you need to communicate what you want and make deeper connections with Chinese folks. Good study, day up.